We all need to dance more. Wondering why? Not only is it great for your health, it is also a universal language connecting people with each other from all around the world. In fact, human beings have been dancing since before the dawn of civilization, over 1.5 million years ago. So how does dance benefit our health? Dancing can improve fitness, coordination and balance, cardiovascular health, immune function, mood, cognition, social well-being, aging gracefully, stress levels, and pain management. In general, compared to other forms of exercise, dance is better at promoting neuroplasticity and mental flexibility, motivating you to practice it, promoting participation, improving satisfaction, building fitness levels, benefiting all ages, and improving focus, motivation, and mental well-being. To learn more about the best forms of dance for health and well-being, any potential drawbacks of dancing, and more, visit us at mayacare.com.